What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to use your phone camera as a webcam without using Droidcam or any other bad solution. So here we go. Okay, so first you need a smartphone, obviously. This is an Android smartphone. This is my old one because the new one I'm filming with right now, if you see here. Next step is you're gonna search on Google Visor. You go to the first link, Visor.io, click download and click your Windows software. I'm not gonna re-download it because I already have it. After you install the program, you'll have this interface. It says no Android devices are connected. Please ensure the Android device is connected. Alright, so be advised, the Visor paid version is €2 per month, 40 per life. It's a pretty cheap solution. I know it costs money, but in the end it's worth it. You can use this not only for webcams, but also for mirroring your screen. Let's go to the smartphone. So I have a Galaxy Note 10, but I'm sure similar settings appear to all Android devices. So you go down to About Phone, Software Information, and you tap the bill number 7 times. I already did it. This unlocks the developer options. In the developer options, you go down and you enable USB debugging. After this, you go on Play Store, download an app called Open Camera. After download, you open the app and you can see it's already capturing my keyboard, mouse, my camera basically. As you can see, if I do not do anything on my camera, the UI disappears. This is ideal for webcamming. So in order to do this, you go on Settings, you go to On-Screen Graphic User Interface, you go to Immersive Mode, and you click Hide Everything. Here's me. What this is gonna do is basically hide your UI, and you can keep this high quality face mirrored on your computer device. So now we need to connect the phone to the computer and the application. So after you connect to the computer, your phone might show you, do you allow USB debugging? So you click allow. When you click allow, Visor already detected the phone for me, but if it doesn't, you need to install ADB drivers. So if you click on that link, it opens a link to download them and just install them normally, no big deal. After you install them and your phone is recognized, you click view. So after you click view, you can see that my phone is mirrored. If I flip the screen, everything's working fine. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to the open camera. You can see it's mirroring everything I'm showing you, including the god himself, obviously. It's real time. If it's on USB, it's real time. So it works well. You can do this over Wi-Fi, but I would not recommend it. Oh, and by the way, with this method, because where I didn't tell you, you will use a separate microphone. And if you're streaming or something, you should use a separate pro microphone, bro. Now I feel this quality is enough because of the camera, but if you want more, like I said, you pay the subscription monthly, yearly, or per life because it's cheap, and you will have this result. Now this is HD and looks quite beautiful. You can put a full screen if you want to, like this. Bam, now I'm on full screen, and you can crop this however you want to fit your screen on OBS or whatever you're using to stream. Be advised, if your computer configuration is not that great and you are opening a big game that you wish to record, this will be laggy. But at least you're not using any phone memory and you're mirroring your device quite well. If you want to see how it really looks mirrored, I have 2 Warcraft videos that I'm gonna put up here somewhere. So I hope you guys found these tips helpful. Hopefully you will use your phone camera as your web camera, since it's actually better quality. Probably not one of the best solutions out there, but hey, it works. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you dudes in the next video. Peace.